Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Rush for more reviews. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe for more content. Subscribing is completely free. Today we're back in 3 Miles, just looking at the development, looking at the progress of the work as well. Remember to like the video, share and leave a comment. So 3 Miles. Alright, so basically just taking a walk through the 3 Miles road development to see an update on the work, progress on the work as well. Remember to leave your comments in terms of what you think about the project. So some cleaning up work happening right here, some excavation. So we're in the vicinity of the NCB Bank, NCB and Scotia. So we're just observing what's happening now in the 3 miles area, observing the flow of traffic. So this opening right here that brings motorists across wasn't there before, so yeah, this is a good opening to help with traffic. Alright guys, gonna end the video here. Remember to leave your comments in terms of what you think about the development happening in 3 miles, in terms of what you think about the progress of work. Again, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like and share the video so more persons can see, and definitely leave a comment. And for persons wanting to donate to the channel, all the information is in the description below this video in terms of ways you can donate. You have Patreon, you have GoFundMe, and other options. You have local bank accounts, so definitely you have options if you want to donate to the growth of the channel. So see you guys on that next video.